If you are ready to tidy up your bedroom or ready to deep clean Zone 4, put your earbuds in, turn the volume up, and we are going to do it together. Let's go. The truth is, we all need a little something different. So if you are in need of decluttering, use this time to declutter. But I'm in a maintenance mode. So on my first day of Zone 4, I really need to hit the cobwebs, the windows, and then the shower. My shower, it's very dark and it's completely tiled in. So there's a lot of surface to clean and a lot of places for things to grow. So that is where I put the majority of my first day of zone cleaning. And that way, if something happens and I don't get any other days this week to zone clean in here, I know that I got the big things. Now the rest of this week I'll come in, I'll declutter drawers and straighten up closets and all these kinds of things, but those are not make or break things for me, at least not today, right? So what I want you to do is get your hair up in a bun, put your earbuds in, and grab your cleaning caddy because we're ready to get started. So I always start from the top and move my way down.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
You're probably not going to see it on camera, but I have a lot of cobwebs. We're a farmhouse, and so above every one of these windows there's the beginnings of spider webs, and so it's important to do this every month here in my bedroom.
You and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
While I've got my flexi wand, I go ahead, I get the tops of pictures. I got the fan. It only took a few minutes.
Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more.
Yeah. Hi, babies. So the big discussion is, how often should you wash your comforter? Well, I'm of a belief that you should wash it as often as you need to. We are puppy sitting, and so my comforter is getting a lot of dog hair right now, and so I think that at the end of the week that comforter has definitely got to be cleaned, if not sooner. Since I did not have a lot of mess for my fan, I'm just going to brush it off really good with a pet brush, and I think we're going to be okay for the rest of their stay anyways. What you doing, guys? Hi. Hi. Oh. Hi. Oh. Next, I'm going to go ahead and tackle the windows. The first thing I want to do is deal with these window seals.
You and me stuck on the ocean now. Nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I want to dry up, but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here. All my reasoning have disappeared. I want to bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome.
Now that it's summertime, I've got a lot of cobwebs and dirt dauber nests all those things trying to build onto the sills of my windows, and some of these screens have holes. So I am adding the screens to be replaced or repaired onto my anti-procrastination list. If you don't have a list, I will link below the printables that I have in my shop, because it's a great way when you're cleaning. If you see something that needs repaired or replaced, you can just add it to the list, and then on your Wednesday anti-procrastination day, you can deal with one of the things off the list. So it's a great time saver, so you don't have to remember it now. Let's just focus on the sills. Now, today I'm going to go ahead and pull out my Power Shot. That is from Bissell. It is a steam cleaner kind of thing, and it works really well getting this deep grime off of the windowsill.
I remember you being hopeful, but the tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not care. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not care. We do not all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not care. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not care. We do not. I always knew we could do so many great things. So believe in me, I believe in you, and I just feel that this will be an upswing. So hear me out. No, we lost our purpose.
Comment below, how often do you wash curtains? My mom used to do it all the time, but I'll be honest, I don't think I've ever washed these curtains, but I don't feel like they need them, right? Next, I'm gonna go ahead and spend a little bit of time polishing all of my surfaces. So once this is done, my bedroom looks pretty good, and I need to get to my shower because that shower is growing things.
We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't want. Chasing all that we do not care. We do not all the way back home. Chasing all that we want. Chasing all that we don't want. Chasing all that we do not all the way back home.
So I just want to remind you, this is your house and your routine. So this zone cleaning, 15 minutes, is to use in whatever way you need to use it. If you are not using it in the bedroom, it's perfectly fine. Keep playing it. I'll encourage you along the way, and you just get done what you need to get done in 15 minutes. So if you're new here, welcome, and consider this home. Subscribers here, they work hard to make a home that's full of love, and it's clean, and it's happy. And so we need more people just like you putting that positivity out into the world. So I'm using a heavy duty cleaner in the shower. I'll link below the one that I'm using, but it is strong and it is bleach oriented, and you'll see I got it all over my pants. So be careful. But I love this cleaner because it works better than any that I have found. If you know of a really good cleaner that takes away some of this grime without all that elbow grease, please comment below.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. down. I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
I hate this. If you found this 15-minute zone cleaning video helpful, please remember to give it a like. That helps YouTube know that we're getting a lot of things done and you want to see more content just like this.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind. Pride, I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from my hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
after getting things washed out and rinsed off, I'm gonna go ahead and put my cleaning caddy away and straighten up. Now that we've got the bedroom looking great, I want you to join me over in this video because it's truly the secret to how I keep things in balance with doing the laundry, doing the errands, going all the places and doing all the things. I'll join you there. Until next time, have a blessed week. Bye.